Hindi learning class. This is the 12th number class and Hindi learning course 12th class. Today we are going to learn power of Hindi letters. That is called in Hindi matras. First we see ja, in English J. Ja. You concentrate on the pronunciation of these words and these letters and these powers. Ja, J, Ja, J, A, G, J, I, G, J, double E, Zu, J, U, Ju, J, double O, Ju, J, J, E, J, J, A, I, J, Jo, J, O, Jo, Jao, J, A, U, Jao, Jung, J, A, N, Jah, J, A, H, Jah. And second, Jha, 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 J, H, A, Jha, Jhi, J, H, I, Jhi, Jhi, J, H, double E, Jhi, Jhu, Jhu. You see that is the Hindi letters. Jhi, J, H, double E, Jhi, Jhu, J, H, U, Jhu, J, H, double O, Jhu, J, J, H, E, Jhe, Jhai, J, H, A, I, Jhai, Jho, J, H, O, Jho, Jhao. Concentrate on the pronunciation. Jhao, Jhao, J, H, A, U, Jhao, Jhao, Jhang, Jhang, J, H, A, N, Jhang. And also you keep here G, Jhang, and Jhah, Jhah, J, H, A, H, Jhah. And in Hindi, the two drops you see here, that is ah, ah. The pronunciation of two drops is ha, ja, jha, J, H, A, H, jha. And third, ta, T, A, ta, ta, T, A, ta, T, T, I, T, double E, T, two, T, U, two, T, double O, two, te, T, A, te, tai, T, A, I, tai, toe, T, O, toe, tau, T, A, U, tau, tongue, T, A, N, tongue, tuh, T, A, H, tuh. And here it is called the two drops visarg in Hindi, visarg, tuh, And next, tha, tha, T, H, A, tha, T, H, A, tha, thi, thi. This is the thi, T, H, I, T, and T, T, H, W, T, two, T, H, U, two, two, T, H, double O, two, the, T, H, E, the, thai, thai, T, H, A, I, thai. And upper you see letters of Hindi and inner you English. Thai, Thai, T, H, A, Thai. Tho, T-H-O, tho. Thou, T-H-A-U, thou. Thang, T-H-A-N-G, thang. T-H-A-H, tha. This is the Visarg in Hindi. And next one, you see the Hindi learning class. This is the part 2, 12 lesson. Today we are also learning the day in Hindi and also the seasons name in Hindi. What is the naming word of the seasons and what is the naming word in Hindi, the days. And there are 7 days in a week. In this class, you learn the pronunciation in Hindi or English. First, Sunday. Sunday, you call it in English literature Sunday. That is in Hindi Ravivar. And the pronunciation is Ravivar. Ravivar. Second, Monday. Monday in English, Monday. And the pronunciation in Hindi Somvar. 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 And you see here also in Hindi and English. What is the pronunciation in Hindi and what is the pronunciation in English? Somvar. Third, Tuesday. Tuesday in English, Tuesday. Mangalvar. Mangalvar. Fourth, Wednesday. Budhvar, Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is Budhvar. Here we wrote by mistake Wednesday. That is Budhvar. The spelling is B-U-D-H. Buddha var. V-A-R. Var. B-U-D-H. You write down here. Buddha. B-U-D-H. Buddha var. V-A-R. Var. Fifth, Thursday. Virvar. Thursday. Virvar. Virvar. Friday. शुक्रवार. 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 You Friday and in Hindi शुक्रवार and in English the pronunciation शुक्रवार. The pronunciation of Hindi word शुक्रवार. Saturday Shanivar. Shanivar the pronunciation Shanivar. And the seasons, summer season. Summer season is called in Hindi Garmi and the pronunciation is Garmi. 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 You said it Garmi. Rains. Varsa. Rains. Varsa. Varsa. You pronounce it Varsa. And autumn. Autumn is called Sarad. Sharad. Sharad. Sarad. And pronunciation Sharad. Winter. Hemant. Hemant is in Hindi Hemant. Hemant. Winter is called in Hindi Hemant and the pronunciation is Hemant. Spring. Spring. Basant. In Hindi Basant. And you pronounce it if you are in America Basant. And in if you are from England Basant. 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 Vasant. And this is the 12th Hindi learning class and you next in 13th class you see more about the lesson. Thank you very much. I am R.K. Suman. You are seeing the digitalsumanji.com and you also consult the www.digitalsumanji.com.wordpress.com. Thank you very much.